Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a new Binance account. First, visit the official Binance website or download the app. You can register using your email address or phone number. Make sure to create a strong password that includes at least 8 characters, 1 number, and 1 uppercase letter for security. Binance will then send a 6-digit verification code to your chosen contact method. Enter this code to proceed. Next, you'll need to complete identity verification, also known as KYC. This is a mandatory step for security and compliance. You'll provide basic personal details like your full legal name, date of birth, and residential address. Then, upload a clear photo of a valid government-issued identification document, such as your passport or driver's license. Finally, complete a quick facial verification using your device's camera to confirm your identity. Once verified, it's time to fund your account. You have several options. You can deposit existing cryptocurrency from another wallet by selecting the coin and network, then copying the deposit address. Alternatively, you can purchase crypto directly using a credit or debit card, though this often involves a small fee. Another method is a bank transfer for fiat currency, which usually takes 1 to 3 business days to process. Protecting your Binance account is crucial. Always enable two-factor authentication, preferably using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator, as it's more secure than SMS. Also, set up an anti-phishing code. This unique code will appear in all legitimate emails from Binance, helping you spot scams. Regularly review your security settings and be cautious of suspicious links. For more deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, please see the link in the description below. Stay vigilant and keep your assets safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.